Today, we're going to be focusing on being more grounded. Only listen to this if you are in a quiet and safe space. Let's get started. I want you to imagine that you are in a lovely meadow. To the sides, there are beautifully colored flowers. Their scents are heavenly. Birds are singing gently in the trees, and bees are going about their business. You're walking barefoot on a soft green patch of grass. The moss under the grass makes you feel springy as you walk. Pay attention to the sensations in your feet as you walk. Your steps start to mirror the pace of your breathing. You can feel a tingling sensation in your feet as the warmth rises up in your body. Perhaps you've noticed a similar feeling when walking barefoot on the beach before. In those moments, you are grounded. Breathe evenly in through your nose and out through your mouth, paying attention to how each breath feels. As you breathe, imagine the earth's energy absorbing into your body. Through your feet, enjoy that sensation as you breathe in and out. Imagine that energy circulating throughout your body, reaching every cell, healing everything it touches, restoring balance, and emitting a healing power throughout. Our bodies are electrical beings. The earth is a giant battery. It is recharged by solar radiation lightning and the magnetic melting core. As the negative ions or energy are transformed down your body through your feet into the ground, where they travel to the Earth's center and are purified and renewed. This is such a peaceful and calm place. You feel at one with nature and so relaxed. You notice a good place and you decide to sit down in the middle of a grassy patch and enjoy the scenery. You become aware of the parts of your body touching the earth's surface beneath you. How does that contact feel? Notice the way the earth supports you, the stability of the earth below you. What sensations do you feel in your body as you become more aware of what you're feeling at these points? I want you to imagine you have a big cord that connects to your point of contact on the earth, and on the other end is a heavy anchor. Let go of the anchor and see it go down, down, down through the ground, reaching deep into the earth. Imagine this now as it travels through the soil, past the hard rocks, past all the different layers and sediment of the earth. The anchor goes deeper and deeper, down, down, past underground rivers and caves full of beautiful crystals, deeper and deeper into the center of the earth. The anchor breaks through the crust of the earth, through the mantle, and heads towards the molten hot core of the earth, where it attaches itself firmly. Feel the connection between the end of the rope on your body and the anchor that is now in the center of the planet. Feel the connection between your heart and the earth's core. Notice how you feel in your body and any sensations as you become aware of this connection. This grounding cord. Imagine energy rising from the earth's core and filling your body, warming you and lightening you up. from the inside out. You are drawing up the warmth and healing from the earth. The energy that you are absorbing from the earth is similar to the vitamin D you get from the earth by soaking up through your skin. And the cord is absorbing any energy and anxiety from your body, passing it into the ground and sending it deep into the earth's core, ready to be purified and renewed. It feels as though this cord is transmitting an electric current. Become aware of the resonance, a vibration or a feeling. Your awareness is connecting you to the earth. Focus on that right now. Know that all the energy is turned to that vibration, tuned as if it were your own personal radio station. It all comes into alignment with who you are. You are grounded in your body with the earth. Your anchor is rooted deeply, and you are supported to move through life, connected to the stability and strength that is now part of who you are. You feel grounded in your ability to generate all that you need to support you. And as it does, you feel calmer, stronger, and even more firmly rooted in the earth. The earth supports you with every step you take, now holding you and filling you with what you need to heal and remember your strength. Connect deep into the planet, seeing the energy flowing from deep within your body, knowing what you are drawing energy up from, the blueprint of all the life on this planet. Feel that physical energy moving up and into your body and into your system and supporting who you are and who you want to be. Feel yourself connecting to the earth's surface. You are now connecting with its negative charge, absorbing negative ions. These negative ions are known for their ability to reduce stress and promote feelings of health and well-being. They work by interacting with the positive ions in our body, which can help neutralize those ions and restore balance. This can help neutralize any excess positive charge that you may be carrying around in your body. It works like a reset button in your body, helping you to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Release any positive charge now. The science behind it is really quite simple. Our bodies are constantly producing an electric charge. This charge can build up, especially if we are experiencing stress or anxiety. When this happens, we start to feel disconnected from our environment and ourselves. This works very similar to the way that electric items in our house. Each plug has a ground wire that connects to the circuit in the earth. Without it, if we touch a wire, our bodies would become connected, and it could electrocute us. Our bodies are very similar. We need to connect to the earth and release that buildup of ions and rebalance our electrical system. When we reconnect with the earth, we provide a path for this excess energy to flow away from our bodies. This allows us to feel more grounded, more connected. The grounding effect can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Unfortunately, modern living keeps us separated from the ground much of the time, depriving us of access to these health-giving electrons. Since rubber-soled shoes, which insulate us from the earth, were invented, humans have become less and less connected to the earth. And this has led to modern diseases that were never experienced by our ancestors. This buildup on ions in our body can cause inflammation. So when you connect to the earth, it is as though an anti-inflammatory switch is turned on, reducing a whole host of inflammatory problems. When you ground yourself, cortisol, the stress hormone, begins to normalize. This helps to control your blood sugar levels and metabolism. It helps you sleep better and assists with memory and learning ability. When you're grounded, your circulation improves. It increases the development, the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to all the cells of your body. You are calm, firmly connected to yourself. Do not get swayed by people around you. You are confident and comfortable in yourself. You are honest with your emotions and authentic with every move you make. The universe is working not just to become clear on who you are, but to help co-create your future and become who you really are. You need to ground your energy deeper into your life, deeper into the planet, in order to do that. As you repeat this process, you become a more grounded person, truly here in the moment and deeply, fully in the present. You are grounded, present, and authentic in every moment. This also can be interpreted as being natural, not rejecting or withholding what we're feeling. It means letting go of all the limiting beliefs we carry, those things we pick up throughout our lives to separate us from what we feel, from what is true, what is natural, and from the fullness of right now. And in the future, you will take every opportunity to take off your shoes and connect yourself with the earth when you can. You will stand in one place, walk, sit, or lie down. You can do this at a park, forest, among the trees, on the beach, or through a stream. Sense the texture of the earth beneath your bare feet. Feel the contact in your heels, arches, toes, and spaces in between. Try walking slowly, being mindful of each step you take. Feel the ground beneath your feet and connect with the earth. This is about calming your body, not exercise. And you can learn to refocus your body and surroundings, the more importantly, on the present moment. Do this regularly, and very soon, you will start to notice the benefits. Being grounded means being present in all three aspects: physically, mentally, and spiritually. You start to pay attention again, to experience things in their purest form without taking them for granted. It is as though you are looking at life with a fresh pair of eyes, almost like the innocent eyes of a child, and everything you see is new and exciting as you experience a sense of wonderment in life. And as you practice daily the techniques I described, you feel yourself becoming one with creation and all your surroundings. Being grounded is a natural state for you. It helps you become fully present in each moment and more observant as you notice and appreciate what is happening around you. So enjoy this feeling. And in a moment or two, I'm going to bring you back to full awakening confidence. Now start to notice the room around you. Bring back with you all the feelings of being fully grounded and the desire to obtain the connection every day in order to restore the natural defenses of your body, and allow yourself to get used to the wonderful feeling of being aligned to who you really are. I hope you've enjoyed this grounding exercise. Feel free to rewatch the video as often as you would like to regain your connection to the present and to your own body.